If you're a girl and you don't tell people to touch your legs after you shave, then you may be ashy. Get some lotion. Hi guys, it's Monday on this channel. Chanel. See what I did there? This week's theme is 10 things to do when you're bored. 10 things to do when, insert thingy there. Since we all know Karen's fatty, we're going to do 10 things to do when there's no food in the fridge. So, let's get started. I don't know what I did to deserve this. I mean, I'm a good person. There's no food. Oh, so there's no food. There's still no food. Mom, I think our fridge is broken because I've opened it twice and there's still no food, so I think we need to go buy a new one. Hi guys, I'm at my little sister's house. So some of my parts, like some parts of my video got like lost. I don't know. Thanks, Obama. Okay, so we're gonna film again. So let's get started actually with Vivian. As always. And 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare thumb war. No. Spanish, Espanol, yeah, no. Pancake. Yeah! Psych. It's happening, guys. I'm going outside. No.
Now twerk like Miley Cyrus.
Hi, my name is Karen. Your baby. No. Your baby. That's an ugly baby. I mean, come on. Look at it. It's not even born yet. Oh, my baby. Oh my god. No. Bye, baby. This is Robert Downey Jr. Out. Ow! Complete choke, by the way. So I'm so sorry, but if you do actually have like a baby or something, you know, or pregnant, just join hands and form a baby circle. Kind of similar to a prayer circle, but not. So yeah. But you know, you should really leave like names in the description, or not the description, the comments. You know, wink, wink. Okay, and last but not least, thing to do number 10, subscribe to our channel and, you know, watch all of our videos. We post Mondays through Fridays, every weekday, every week. So yeah, and just like browse through YouTube and yeah. Don't really know what else to say except bye.